Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about Saatchi Art. Saatchi Art is one of the largest online art gallery with over thousands of artists registered, and they have literally helped many young artists into emerging artists with their support. So let's check it out. If you are new, you will need to register yourself. Open the link and you will need to fill all this information and sign up. Since I have already registered myself, I will just go and sign in. Now go to account information. Address and identification, and upload picture of your CNIC. Saatchi Art will register your account within 2 days. After that, you can fill all this information, profile information, where you can add your social links, about me, education, events and exhibitions, and your country, and account information. That's it. Once your account is verified, you can upload your artwork from here. Upload. Upload now. Select the image. Make sure the picture of your artwork is of high quality and high resolution so that people can easily zoom in and check it, and I'm sure they will like it if it is a high resolution picture. You can see the quality of my picture. See, the quality is absolutely great, and I have also edited it on wall by using Adobe Photoshop so that the buyer can see how it will look on the wall after they purchase it. This will take some time. Now it's uploaded. Go to category and subject. Category is calligraphy. Subject is calligraphy and category is painting. Go to artwork status. This painting is made in 2020. Yes, yes, yes. You can sell prints of your artwork from here, and you don't have to handle anything. Medium is acrylic. Style is abstract. Keywords are very important for your artwork. They can help you get audience. Just like when we use a hashtag on Instagram, we get audience, and this is just like that. So use a keyword related to your artwork. I think these keywords are enough. So let's go to dimension. Dimension is the size of the painting. The size of this painting is 33.5 height and 23.8 inch. 33.5 and 23.8 width. The depth of this painting is 0.1 because it's on canvas. It's on roll canvas. The title is You can write about your artwork in the description. Next, go to packaging. Tube. Tube packaging, because this artwork is on roll canvas and I can easily send it through tube. This artwork is not frame, no shipping. The weight of this painting is around 4, which is like 1.8 kg. The price is 560. Saatchi Art commission policy is 35%, and you shouldn't be sad about that because they use that money to promote your artwork. As you can see, if I go to Google and write my name, you can see Suleiman Rahman Saatchi Art. People can easily see my artwork now and they can buy it. So yeah, print pricing, canvas, black. This will be the price of your art print. Canvas, fine art paper and canvas print. I think this is reasonable. Let's go to finish, submitting. Once the artwork is uploaded, you can add more pictures. From here, drop. I will just upload this one. Once the picture is uploaded, you can save it and that's it. You can also add your artwork in your collection, which is pretty easy. Just go here, click on this, and this is Arabic abstract calligraphy. I will just add it and it's done. Now you can see it in my collection. Arabic abstract. I have been using Saatchi Art for about 4 months and I have sold around 15 paintings, and I think it's absolutely amazing. Yeah, so good luck to all of you, and I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell icon so that you don't miss my upcoming videos. And if you like this process, please like this video.